Struggling to create videos that actually go viral? What if I told you there's a tool that can create engaging professional videos in minutes without any editing skills? Say hello to Vadoo AI. In this video, I'll show you how Vadoo AI can save you hours of work and help you create videos that boost your views, engagement, and sales. Let's dive in. Let's be real, creating videos is hard. You need to script, film, edit, add captions, and optimize for every platform. And if you're not a pro, it can take forever. Plus, hiring an editor? That's expensive. But what if you could skip all that and still create high-quality, viral-ready videos? That's where Vadoo AI comes in. Vadoo AI is an AI-powered video creation tool that turns your ideas into stunning videos in minutes. Just type in a text prompt, and it generates scripts, captions, B-roll, and even voiceovers for you. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, Vadoo AI makes it easy to create videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Here's why Vadoo AI is a must-have tool. Text to video. Just type in your idea, and Vadoo AI creates a full video with captions and B-roll. 2. Viral optimization. It analyzes your video and gives it a virality score to maximize engagement. 3. Podcast to video. Turn long podcasts into short, shareable clips with AI-generated captions. 4. Auto posting. Schedule and post videos directly to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. 5. Multi-language support. Create videos in 32 languages with custom AI voices. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills. It's all done for you. Here's how it works. Type in a text prompt or upload your content. 2. Choose a template or let Vadoo AI suggest one. 3. Customize your video with captions, voiceovers, and music. 4. Export and share your video in minutes. It's that simple. No editing skills, no expensive software, just fast, professional videos. Here's how you can use Vadoo AI. Create TikTok and Instagram reels that actually go viral. Turn blog posts or podcasts into YouTube videos. Make product demos or tutorials without hiring an editor. Save hours of time and focus on growing your business. Whether you're a solopreneur or a big brand, Vadoo AI is perfect for anyone who wants to scale their video marketing. Ready to create videos that actually work? Click the link in the description to get Vadoo AI at a huge discount. This is a lifetime deal, so don't miss out. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.